Hey, what's going on, y'all? Another quick little video. Show y'all what I'm about to do. First little modification, if you want to call it that. So, I purchased the Mopar CAI intake for the Dodge Chargers and Challengers and 300 SRTs. So I was going to do an unboxing video and show y'all everything, instructions, list, everything came in, but I thought about it too late, and it's already put together. It did not come like this. I put this together in the house the day that I got it, and after I put it together, it's like, damn, I should have did an unboxing video, showed you where I bought it from, a list of things in there, putting it together and everything, but it was too late, and I'm too lazy to take it apart to do it all over again just for a video. So I'm just gonna show y'all. So I got this from Amazon for $300 and something, like $333 shipped, and yeah, it's basically the Mopar OEM CAI intake for Charger, Challenger, 300 SRT. It should fit all models from 2012 and above. So this came separate. This was a shell. They had all these pieces, put it together, put it in there. Now all I have to do is take it and put it in, replace the other airbox. So this thing replaces the entire airbox in the front. So I'm gonna do a video of me replacing it. Well, I'm gonna try, because I have nobody to record for me, so I'm just gonna do it myself. I'm gonna, start recording intermediately while I'm replacing it. I was gonna do it today, but now I don't have the time because shit messed up at work. So I'll do it tomorrow, and we will be back. All right. So use that. I'm also getting some new tires. I'm getting a Continental DWS 06, because these came with summer tires and they're not gonna last. So I gotta take these babies off, put on the Continentals, put these in storage until the summertime. I should be going to pick those up Tuesday, have them installed on Tuesday. So yeah, I'm gonna replace this entire airbox. Unscrew it here, take it off of here, lift it up. I could do it now, but I don't want to rush and do it. But you're gonna replace this entire airbox and put in the CAI intake airbox. And that'll be about it. I don't really do a lot of mods. I'm not a mod type of guy. I gotta put some wiper fluid in here. There's none whatsoever in here. Dealer should have topped me off, but they didn't, assholes. Anyway. That's good. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna replace this airbox, put in the CAI intake, put my new tires on. What else I plan on doing? There's no need to upgrade the exhaust. That's what I like about this. You don't have to do much to it. That Jeep SRT I had, you had to do so much to it to make it feel, make it stand out. But you don't have to the Charger. And it's way more fun. Alright, y'all, so I'll see y'all in a few. Alrighty, so the Mopar instructions for the cold air intake. It only says up to 16 in here, but it fits them all. It fits up to 2019. That's the part number. Everything I see there. So, about to start this, alright? Alright, so I removed those 3 screws, unclamped the hose, the 2 hoses, took off the lid. Next I have to loosen and remove this bolt. After I remove this bolt, I will remove the entire air box out of this base. And then I'll just drop it in its place. I'm sorry I'm not recording this as I go along, but it's just me, so you gotta take it how it is. Alright. Removed the air box from the base. That's where it gets all the air from. The small little hole down there. And from up here in the front, from the front grill, and then from the bottom, that's where the air feeds in from. This way, from that way. Anyway, this is the air box. Stock air box. Comes with this filter. Stock filter. Some people just replace the filter, do a K&N drop-in. But I want to do this cold air thing. So take it out, remove this rubber grommet that's on here, because you're going to use it on the new. Sorry for the horrible, shaky, non-tutorial video. This ain't supposed to be a tutorial. I'm just recording this shit as I go along like an amateur. Just taking y'all along for the ride. Alright, so what did I do so far? Took that off. Now I gotta take this rubber bushing off. Add it on there. Bam, 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 bam. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Fully installed. Hardest part was getting this rubber shit to seat around on the edge of this thing. Killed my thumbs, man. This thing does not want to latch in. That was the hardest part. That and getting this AC hose onto this part is not it's not seated all the way. If you can see that. And there's not enough pull for it to seat all the way. Well, it's not going to be an exact fit. You know, it's made for numerous model years, and they always tweak a little something. But I probably could get this on here better, but it's just not going right now. This right here, it's pretty easy to get in, get on, tighten. There's one screw right here seems to be a little off. This lip should sit flush against it, I think, but it's not. But yeah, the hardest part is putting this rubber thing on the edge. I'm still fidgeting with it, but for the most part, that's it. Took out the stock air box, put in the Mopar cold air intake. So instructions are pretty straightforward, pretty simple. They give you cleaning instructions. You know, it's pretty easy. You don't have to go to a shop or anywhere to get this installed. You can do it yourself. Once again, that's the part number. If anybody want to get the cold air intake for your Charger, Challenger, Scatpack, SRT. And that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. A little quick video of my half-ass installation video. Do this for fun, man. what I'm gonna do in my next video. Next video, I'm just gonna do some detailed camera angles of the interior and exterior of the car. If people want to see the details, close-up shots, I'm gonna do that. But alright, y'all, until next time, I'm gonna keep fidgeting with this fucking pain in the ass fucking rubber shit. Peace.